Welcome to My Adjustimate Training, Module 3 for Experts. In this module, you will learn how to 1. Use our app for inventory claims. 2. Upload all photos with one click. 3. Split screen for quick drag and drop. 4. Preview photos outside the app. 5. Protect your device on the field. 1. Use our app for inventory claims. We will explore further the custom text and speech-to-text features. As you know, at the end of each menu there is a custom text option. It is used mostly for some unique on-site situations that you cannot address by using the regular menu items from the list. However, custom text may also be utilized very successfully for inventory claims. If you go, for example, to Dwelling, Interior, and select any room after that, at the very bottom for room options there is a custom text menu feature. Say you are in the living room taking photos of the corner shelf, rug, sofa, and TV. After the files upload, the interior folder will contain the following files: First floor living room corner shelf, JPEG. First floor living room rug, JPEG. First floor living room sofa, JPEG. First floor living room TV, JPEG. The same principle will apply for the bedroom, kitchen, etc. Besides the nicely labeled photo order, this type of filing system can be utilized even more efficiently. All the files in this folder look like a list of records in Excel. If there was only a way to import them so that every file name was in a separate row ready to edit. Actually, there is a way to do it, and I will show you how. You need to be a little computer savvy and have the basic knowledge of Excel. Upon request, I will provide you with that Excel template file, as well as links to resources that I have learned about. What we want to accomplish is to have all these files be editable in Excel, each in a separate row. First, you have to save this template in the same folder as the files. Name it, for example, _extract_Excel. Once you open it, the file will have 3 columns. Only the first column is editable. Go back to that folder and copy the entire path for these photos, followed by backslash and asterisk at the end. Or just simply click to the side of the address bar so everything is highlighted. Right-click on the mouse and then copy. Then paste it into the first cell of column 1. Remember about the backslash and asterisk? See what just happened? Each file name from this folder has been placed in a separate row. Column 2 and 3 consist of a set of functions and do not require any editing. From this point, everything else pops up automatically. Select a range of files from the third column and copy and paste them into Notepad. This will remove the function properties from each record. Open a new Excel file or the provided template and paste the content again. Then copy and paste the content from Notepad. From that point, you can edit every cell individually. It saves tons of time. 2. Upload all photos with one click. Sometimes the folder structure that is created by our app requires some serious clicking back and forth. Dwelling, roof, then back. Dwelling elevation, then back. Interior, and back, and so on. I understand that this well-structured filing system may be overkill sometimes. What can I say? We are meticulous and organized to the point of insanity. Like my friend says, it's a curse, but a blessing for everyone around us. For anyone who does not require the photos to be organized in this fashion, there is a shortcut that brings all the photos from all folders and subfolders at once into one place. All you have to do is go to the main folder at the dwelling and other structure level and type JPEG into a search box. This is just an old school search option technique where Windows extracts all the photos, in this case with extension JPEG, into one pile. From here you can simply select all or Control A and drag and drop to Xactimate or a zip file or wherever this batch of files needs to go. Still, all the photos are from one place, though the order may be slightly off. Three, split the screen for faster uploading. It is very common, especially during deployment where you are not exactly 100% operational. Sometimes a 15-inch laptop is all you have to work with. Unlike in your office setup with a curved panoramic 49-inch monitor with another 50-inch screen on top of that. Or maybe it's just me. Let's face it, a dual monitor setup is pretty much standard these days and really makes your life so much easier. However, for those of you who are using one monitor, there is another way around that. Again, nothing new. This feature has been with us at least since Windows 7, maybe longer, but it is very handy, especially when you are working with photos in Xactimate. I am personally in favor of dragging and dropping photos to Xactimate rather than uploading from a designated path. Therefore, when I work with photos, I have only two applications open at a time: the folder with photos and Xactimate. As I drag one window and move it to the side of the screen, for example to the left, it snaps to the edge, splitting the screen vertically in two. Then I select the Xactimate window for the second half. That way I have two perfectly aligned windows for fast drag and drop, a very convenient environment for working with photos. What I do next is go to the folder with my photos. I individually drag and drop photos from the respective folders from my PC into Xactimate. Notice that my folders in Xactimate are set up in exactly the same manner: roof to roof, elevation to elevation, etc. 4. Preview the photo outside the app. The app is designed in a way that your site photos are stored in a designated folder on your device. There is, however, a backup copy that you can access via the iPhone Photos album. These photos are not labeled though, but at least allow you to preview the images outside the app and before you upload them via iTunes or the cloud. In Android devices, you can access your photos via the My Files app. Tap on it, scroll down to Device Storage, followed by Pictures folder, followed by My Adjustimate_projects folder, and choose the desired project from the list. Five, protect your device on the field. The last series of pro tips is how to keep your device safe and secure on site. In the matter of a split second, you can hit your smartphone over the edge of the ladder or drop it from a second-story high roof. Been there, done that. Therefore, a couple $100 later, I found these gadgets very handy on site. A heavy-duty rugged phone case, especially the one with a loop that you can thread a hand strap into. This enables you to wear your device on your neck or wrist. A smart watch with a heavy-duty housing. Whether on the high-pitched roof or in a tight crawl space, it really comes in handy. Remember, be safe out there. We just got to the end of the last module. I would like to thank you for sticking with us for so long. I know that you will benefit from these tutorials and your adjuster life will get easier. Get engaged. Send us your feedback and comments. A lot of features came directly from you. Let's make this tool even better for all of us. Once again, thank you for using My Adjustimate.